Welcome to the first ever vlog on the NJAT channel. Alright, so we've done our analysis for the morning. We're down here on the 15-minute chart. Just zoom into this area here, just have a look. Anyway, so we're down here on the 15. Pretty much understood from the monthly chart on here. This whole red area is our monthly range. So how I trade is I look for continuations after a slowdown into a monthly range or a weekly or a daily range, and then I play bearish continuation structure here to the downside. So that's my process that I'm always looking for. And the reason I look at these monthly, weekly and daily areas is because typically these moves that we see here to the downside, this will be like hundreds of pips worth of moves. So I know that I can get multiple opportunities during my session to trade that direction in the market. So here on the 15, just reading the price action for the past few days, we've run above this high, we got that strong rejection of higher prices, and then prices continue down into this low. Now we got the strong rejection of lower prices here as well. So typically we know we're only looking to trade the edges for continuations here to the downside. So price is actually in a great area to see continuation. This is Asia session right now, so I'm waiting until New York. What I would love to see, and what would be absolutely perfect, is if price run above this high, got a strong rejection, and then I place sells as continuations down into this equal low here today. That would be like the perfect scenario for today. But because we had the strong rejection of lower prices here, this could be bullish continuation structure and could target this high that we have up here. So if I do get my setup today, I'll play that as the short continuation because it's following my higher time frame narrative of lower prices. But if I'm wrong, then so be it, right? I just play this narrative continuously and I play my process continuously, and high risk to rewards is what makes me consistent over a large enough sample size. So this is my process. If it sets up for New York, I'll take it. Also, if price just sets up and sees continuation structure from here during New York, I'll also take this as my continuation here to the downside into the equal lows. Pretty much on EU right now, we're moving very slowly away from this higher time frame mitigation. So what I said to the guys in the webinar as well is, because we've been moving slowly away from this location, either price is going to see continuation and target this high, and then again we reassess if price wants to drop out after this high, or we're just going to move into initiation structure, which could mean that price will just absolutely melt here to the downside. So that's what I'm anticipating as my first scenario in price. But again, we'll just wait to see what price does. It's Asia session right now, so I'll just wait till New York.
Going today.
Beach. What other camps do you go when you're on islands? My church earnings. This is my donation. Which I'm now putting into my wallet. Thanks to everyone who donated. It's paying for this trip.
Do you think people should necessarily travel often?
No, I think everyone should stay at home, be a good citizen, go to work 9 to 5 and live a shitty life. Of course, quality of life is so much better when you're traveling, and because trading is quite a stressful thing, it only becomes very, very stressful because you want to change your life. Whereas if you change your lifestyle first, which again is not the easiest thing to do, but if you change your lifestyle first, then trading becomes a lot easier because you're not trading for anything anymore. You're just trading to be good at something. You're not trading to change your life or any of those things. So yeah, travel is like a cheat code to trading well. Let's go. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look, there's coconuts growing in the trees. Can't get better than that. Come on, take these slides off. Let's feel the sand. Oh, oh, oh. I told you I wore my short shorts specific for the beach as well. Ooh, nice green short shorts. Right, well, straight to the beach it is, through the palm trees and the sand. This is like Chuck's dream right here. This life. sat in the jungle right now. Literally showing the jungle. Don't show them the food yet. See you in a second. Literally out in the jungle. Grab a little breakfast. Well, I say breakfast. The time is 2 p.m. We've had a bit of a slow start to the day, so went to go down to the pond for a little coffee morning, which was beautiful. And then now we're just having a bit of breakfast. Go on, showing the breakfast. We got some eggs. I think this is like a smoothie bowl that they've got going on with cacao, oats and nuts and fruits and whatnot. We got the juices. I can't remember what juices were, carrot and orange and something. And this was pineapple and mint and lime or something. And then this one here, this one's quite interesting. That's a Vietnamese donut, which is just filled with like lots of different foods in there. And of course, you got to do the rice, otherwise be in tears. But yeah, just gonna eat this. Gonna hit up the gym later on and get a good workout in. And then tonight we've got a trading session, which we'll dive into, and then a webinar with the team later on. Let's eat. So we're just at the gym. I'm showing them the gym. It's like a very cool place. Pretty much got every single machine that you could want, and the worst music in Vietnam. And yeah, just gonna get a workout in. So pretty much done bench press. I'm working at the moment towards building a lot of my fundamentals. So like bench press, pull-ups, deadlifts, and then working some arms as well, so I can try and get my skinny arms a bit bigger. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the workout. It's pissing it down outside. We're pretty much in the jungle here as well, and there's no aircon, which makes it even better. But it's good workout, good place. Last time I came here, the gym was in a different place. So I think they've moved to this whole new location here, but yeah, after that. Well, we just finished the gym. Having a little barbecue after the gym. We've got pork. This is like seasoned pork, and she's got like sesame seeds on there as well. This auntie over here who's cooking up on the grill. Remembers me from last year, so we've got to come and support the locals. We've got some rice, I think, which is like egg fried rice or something. Some ribs, which I'm not having any of. And then this is like some kimchi rice. And then we've got the sugarcane juice, which is like really popular in Vietnam. It's delicious. So as always, got to get two. And you've got one there as well. And then yeah, this let me show them the view from this other side. Here, right onto the beach round the corner here. But yeah, just eating here, then we've got to go back, and it's the trading session after that, and then see where the night takes us after that, because this will be the last trading session of the week. So we'll see if we get anything. If not, then it's been a great day overall. Another fantastic day in the vacation life. Right, let's head back. Sometimes they're nice rides, sometimes they're hold on rides. This is a hold on one. Oh, got like half my head in the shot. Yeah, there we go. You can see out though, can't you? Alright, so we made it to the session, and the session was about 10 minutes, and then I pretty much finished from there. So here's what it finished like. As we said this morning, we was looking for continuation. Either we was going to run this high that was up here and then see continuation, or price was just going to see the continuation here to the downside. For me, I don't trade breakout markets, so we see price broke the low that was here and ended up being a breakout. So For my session, I always sit out of those, but it's very clear and obvious that price wanted to short for the session when we even come into the day during Asia. Sometimes we're going to get trades, sometimes we're not. This is just a part of trading. A massive part of trading that everyone struggles with is just being patient. Well, if you have a strategy that you believe in, then it's just about going through those patient times where you have to sit out in the market and have rules when to sit out the market versus when to get involved in the market, and just follow those rules. If you follow your rules on a consistent basis, that's the only thing that's going to guarantee your success in trading. So for me, I could happily sit out of the market for as long as I need to and wait for my setup. This week pretty much ended a break-even week. I only took one trade that ended as two trades that ended as one trade that ended as break-even, which was the trade yesterday, but shorting all week because we're at a higher time frame sell mitigation. So yeah, pretty much one of those weeks where it's really slow. A lot of our traders in our diamond section and our experienced traders caught some really great moves, especially on the minute. There was a lot of great trading on the 1 minute chart this week. I know so many traders got into those. Chuck's had an incredible day yesterday. This market here, where everyone will look at this and say it's ranging choppy, Chuck's caught 3 winners, 1 to 5 winners in this market here using his 1 minute strategy. So insane, absolutely insane. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the week. I finished my week on a Thursday and there's nothing else to do now apart from just go and enjoy the evening. So we'll bring you along for the evening and just see what we do. So the next part of the evening is to devour this food. Got a steak, which I don't really have much hope for because we are at a pizza place. And then this pizza, although it doesn't look like much, this pizza is absolutely amazing. The tomato sauce, I don't know what they do to the tomato sauce, but the flavour is incredible. And then here we've got a avocado drink, which was actually said 2 out of 10. And then obviously we've got the odds. Something to be cider. Yeah, just gonna devour this and continue the evening. So for a little bar, got a couple of drinks here. So every night at 9:30 PM we get these beautiful fireworks that go off, and obviously because we have the fucking best view in the whole of this sunset town, we get to see them from the balcony every single night. Enjoy. So that concludes the video. Make sure you leave us a like and comment down below if you enjoyed these vlogs. It's the first ever vlog on the NJT channel, so make sure you show some love. If you want to find out about how I trade as well and how me and Chuck's trade and not just a trade, go down in the links in the description of this video, and there's also a link there for a little discount if you wanted to get started. It's one of the best trading mentorships in 2025, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out all the NJT members, especially the Diamond members who are trading extremely well at the moment. Very proud of all of you, and go where you're treated best. Vietnam.